The 2026 Range Rover SV Carmel is not just an SUV, it's a statement. Built for the elite and designed to impress at every angle, this luxury machine pushes the limits of what Range Rover has ever offered. Welcome to Auto Review's Garage, and today, we're diving into one of the most exclusive SUVs on the planet. If you're new to our channel, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you never miss an update. Your support means everything to us. At first glance, the SV Carmel doesn't just look luxurious, it demands your attention. With its exclusive satin bronze exterior, custom 23-inch diamond-turned wheels, and a stance that exudes power and elegance, this isn't just a car, it's automotive art. Named after California's upscale coastal region, the Carmel Edition takes bespoke luxury to an entirely new level. And with only a limited number made, it's rarer than most hypercars. Under the hood, the 2026 SV Carmel packs a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that delivers a monstrous 606 horsepower and 750 Nm of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Range Rover's legendary all-wheel drive system. This beast isn't just about looks, it's a rocket on 4 wheels. It can sprint from 0 to 60 mph in just under 4.3 seconds, which is insane for a vehicle of this size and weight. Step inside, and you're met with an interior that feels more like a private jet cabin than a car. The SV Carmel comes with executive-class rear seats finished in Perlino leather with deep garnet contrast piping. You get retractable tables, built-in champagne fridge, and even hand-painted ceramic controls. Everything inside screams ultra-luxury, down to the smallest detail. Technology-wise, the 2026 Carmel is fully loaded. You've got a state-of-the-art 13.1-inch infotainment screen, a high-fidelity 35-speaker Meridian sound system, and an advanced AI-based terrain response system. Whether you're gliding through Beverly Hills or tackling rugged mountain roads, the SV Carmel adapts like no other SUV. But here's the catch. Only 7 units of the 2026 SV Carmel Edition are being released globally. Yes, just 7. This isn't just a car, it's a collector's piece. So if you ever see one of these on the road, consider yourself lucky. The 2026 Range Rover SV Carmel is the definition of rare, refined, and ridiculously powerful. This is Auto Review's Garage, where passion meets performance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exclusive car reviews.